Great, let's do this. Today, I'm going to show you how to put up your website online for free using GitHub Pages. So I already downloaded the GitHub desktop for the desktop, and then you go ahead and click here, and you can go ahead and create free account. Boom. Let me make that full screen for now. Go ahead and create your username or use your username. I'm gonna go Great Day Designs. There you go. Great Day Designs 1. And then the email I'm gonna use is my email. All right, and then go ahead and put your password in there. Uncheck this so that you don't get this random emails. Go ahead and verify. Use the arrow to rotate the animal to face the direction of the hand. Boom. I'm not a robot. There you go. And then go ahead and create an account. They're going to send you a verification code in the email. Go ahead and go to your email now. And then once you enter your email, this is going to happen. All right. Okay, so now this is your GitHub. What I want you to do first is create repository. Good. And then, yes, I want this repository to be public. And then the first thing we're going to put in there is portfolio. Go ahead and type in portfolio. And you can add a README. We don't need any of this, and we don't need that. So then after your portfolio, go ahead and hit create repository. All right. Go ahead and go put a smaller screen. And then we're going to work with this right here, our portfolio first. Go ahead and open that, and then you can drag the HTML in there. Commit changes. Good. Drag your JavaScript in there. Commit changes. Drag your images. Awesome. Commit. And drag your CSS. Very good. Commit changes. Let me make sure I got my CSS, JavaScript, HTML, so I need my images. They must not have went in. Let's go ahead and put my images in there. There you go. Now they're dropping in there, and then commit changes. So now we got all of them. We can close that. And let's go back to full screen. So now, as you can see, I got my CSS, images, JavaScript, and HTML in my repository. So now, to make this into a real-life website, go to Settings. And then you want to go down right here to Pages. And leave that like that, and then right here under branch, let's go main. And we have our root right there, and then save. Okay, and now we can go to custom domain, and we're gonna go portfolio, and then save. All right, so now portfolio, now it generated a URL for you, and now we can go ahead and click that, and boom, your portfolio is now live, online. Very cool. Okay, so now I have this template portfolio for you, and now what we're gonna do is get these to link to the projects that you're making. We're gonna do the travel one. So what we're gonna do, go ahead and go back and go to your main page, and we can go ahead and minimize this. And so what we're going to do as an example is the travel website that we've created in class. So now go ahead and hit new right here, new repository. This one will be travel, and same, put it public, boom, public, and then you don't need a README for this one. Create repository, and then sometimes, yeah, it'll look a little different. You can go ahead and upload files here, and then let's open up our travel, and we could drop our HTML, drop your images, let that thing load, got a lot of images on this website, and then drop your CSS. Okay? And now, go ahead and commit changes. You can close that. Okay, so we got our HTML, images, and our CSS. So now, let's go ahead and give this a live website. We can go settings, and pages, and under branch, hit main, save, and we can do boom. Now we have our travel URL right there, and let's just visit it to make sure that it is up. Boom, got our Florida Vacation Homes website all nicely designed right there. So now let's link this to our portfolio. So go ahead and copy the URL, copy, and we can go back, and let's go back here to our main page. What we need to do is grab our portfolio here, drop it into Visual Studio Code, and let's edit this. Let's edit our HTML. If you scroll down all the way to 139, here is the anchor tag for that first picture. Go ahead and take that hashtag off and paste our graded designs, paste the URL for your travel site. Go ahead and save that. What I want you to add as well is target underscore blank. Target underscore blank. This will allow it to open up a new window. And then save. Okay, so now I can close this and go to my, here's in my GitHub, and let's go to this HTML and go ahead and delete this HTML. Commit changes, yes, I want it deleted. Okay. And I can refresh. And so as you can see, I have CSS, images, and my JavaScript. Go ahead in your portfolio and grab this new HTML. Go ahead and commit changes. Very good, I can close that. And now, just to double check, hit the HTML. You could scroll down to number 139, we said. 139, and it has our URL for our travel page and target underscore blank. Good. So now, if you forgot what your URL was, go ahead and go to settings, go to pages, and then we got our URL is saved right there. What we can do is just copy this so that you know it, but this is your free URL. We can click it, boom. And now we have our awesome website up, our portfolio. And then I linked it to this image, remember? What you want to do too though, is sometimes when you're updating your website, you want to clear your history. So go to history, go to clear browsing data. I have all time, clear, close, close, and then refresh your page. And all right, so here's my page. I can hit here, boom, and it opens up a new tab showing my travel website. Awesome, awesome. So this is a great way that you can show off your skills. It's like an online resume, online portfolio. And what I want you guys to do now is for all of these, for all of your projects, let me go minimize this. All of your projects that you've created in class, I want you to make a repository for each and link them to your profile. So you probably want to do them all and then link them all so then you can do a new HTML just one time. While linking them as well, I also want you to create your own thumbnails. Create your own thumbnails so that it displays what websites they would be clicking on. All right. Enjoy your free website.